So, here we have another package. There must be inside Corona tweeters for repair. So, we will see. These are very well packed. Let's have a look, okay. So, number one. Number two. Something more inside? No. Okay. Now let's have a look inside. Ah, that's okay. Nothing rattling. Oh, looking here. Ah. These are very dirty, really dirty. So, and if I look here in the inside, the cells on the electrode are very damaged. I try to show you this with the camera. So I will try to show you this burned out electrode. I hope we can see it on the camera. So it's totally burned out. Maybe we put it in, we will see if there is something happening. So I plugged in the main plug. The tube is heating. Ah, there is something happening. Hey. Here. There is so much dirt in the chamber, which have to burn off first. But it's still working. Surprise, surprise. You hear this? Yeah, this is totally burned out plasma chamber with the crackling noise. So, this is the first one. So the second one I cannot start. You have here the crackling insert. I think the tube is out of the socket and falling into the tweeter, so we cannot start the other one. But this is a nice example for an old, well-used Corona tweeter. Okay. So let's have a look inside. So this is the power supply. It has it's a newer one. It has already an toroidal. Well, I don't know the word in English. These new transformers, and this is the audio transformer. There's the fuse, the main fuse, and there are some resistors. And that it was. Okay, the next one is to open up the case. Normally there are screws here, but they are not in anymore, so we can lift up this. If we can. Oh, it's bent. So that's always not good. So this perforated shielding is bent here, and it's bent inwards so that I can't remove this cage. I think I have to do this off camera. Now we have to open up the rest. There are 10mm nuts here. Okay. So 3 nuts. Now can open the back side. Here we have the back side. There are 2 modifications there. This is normal for the version 4141 here. Now we can swing off this. And here we have it. So now we have to remove the rest. So, and now it's out. So this is the RF part where the high frequency is generated. So this is all what is done here. This is a nice PL501 tube. And here we have the plasma chamber. And if we look here, oh, yeah, this is totally burned out. And all this crap is now inside this quartz cell. But I think I can clean that, we will see. So, but we need, of course we need a new electrode, and the rest is okay. There is only cleaning needed. And now the same procedure for the second tweeter. Oh, it is not a tube. It is the coil which falls off. Okay. Yes. So the wire is broken, and the RF coil is fallen off. So we have to unsolder the high power. Here we have, it's broken on the back. So now we can remove the PCB with the tube. Okay, it's also broken here. This wire. someone was here. There are slight modifications here on the back. Oh, we will test it and we'll see. So we can remove now this plate. So here are two spacers. So, and this here is normally the contact, which is here on this cable. Now we have it. Oh, totally worn out tip. It's flat. It's not a tip anymore. And yes, the plasma chamber, I think it's good. I have to clean it. We will see. So here we have it. Old Corona in all his parts. I have to clean that all. Check for electrical damage. So normally we have to check this relay here. Most of the time the contacts are broken in this relays. We have to check the electrolytic capacitor. Someone was here and has glued this capacitor with silicone. There's a lot to be checked here, and so we will see. So one funny thing on the side I have seen here, someone has built in an aluminium piece around this resistor for coolant. I never seen this. This is not necessary. So I will also renew this one. Now you see a little bit of cleaning. This is the sink with dishwashing soap. And now a little bit scrubbing to scrub off all the dirt inside and outside. So here are the new parts. The glass cells, quartz glass cells I have cleaned, and there we have new electrodes, and these are the worn out without the tip. Now fresh new electrodes with tip. And they come in inside like this. And we put some isopropane alcohol on this. We can see clearly through the glass where the electrodes are located. Yes, and I made a new wire with the connector, which was broken on the old coil here. So this wire goes then to this coil here and is the contact point for the electrode on the back. So now all parts are checked. The coil is back, and here is the cleaned quartz cell. We will try it. This metal ring goes in the middle. And now we reassemble the whole unit. Of course, here the wire is new, and it's a stainless steel contact. You cannot solder it, you have to press it because it gets very hot. So now we have to reassemble the PCB with the tube. Best thing is to put the tube in. And we need the connection ring there, which must be soldered on this wire. Normally it's one unit, but someone has pitched it off, and we have to solder it on now. So don't forget to put the anode and grip wire through the hole. So here we are. So now I'm screw it back, make it fast, and then I come back to you. So this is the temporary setup for testing. There is the shield over, because the coil is variating so much high frequency that you hear a lot of interference. So this is the reason why you have to shield it. So, and this is the power supply now temporarily connected, and this is the ground wire from the shielding to the power supply. And now we plug it in and we will see. Right to the main. So I have temporarily connected the tweeter and plug him in the mains. Now we are starting. That's it. Finally repaired. Connecting the RC generator. Yes, we have a tone. Now these two loudspeakers are renovated, and if you can see here, the customer wants other connections for his loudspeakers, so I put in 2mm banana sockets, so you can plug in connectors here easily Normally these tweeters have pins. Okay, and what you here are seeing are two holes. Behind these holes are two potentiometers where you can adjust the volume of the tweeters, and this is to match the tweeters so that you have a pair. And I put this to the maximum volume, and we now plug them in and let them run in, and then we matching these two tweeters to the same sound pressure level. Let's go on. Now, to adjust the two circuits to the same loudspeaker level or sound pressure level, use this cheap SPL meter. And I don't want to do accurate measurement. It's only to level the two speakers to the same sound pressure level. So I set the potentiometer on the backside to the maximum. I adjust my RC generator to 4 kilohertz because this cheap things only take measurements up to 8 kilohertz. So I take the measurement at 4 kilohertz, plug in now my RC generator, and we have 4 kilohertz tone, and if we go direct straight to the cone, we measured 114.3.4, and when we measure it on the other, we measure 133. So we have to take down this one just 1 dB. So put it in, go to the potentiometer on the back side and put down 136. $133. You don't have to adjust it like crazy because .1 or .2 dB in this high range level you cannot really hear. So 113.3, 113.3. Yeah, okay. Now the two circuits are on the same sound pressure level. So now I hope you enjoy this little video, this little repair video of these two old Corona loudspeaker circuits, and you have a better impression what's inside and how to repair these old guys. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.